Hello, good afternoon, my dear students. Yesterday we have started with chapter number 9, that is algebraic expressions. We have already discussed and defined what do you mean by algebraic expressions, and we have also seen some examples, and we have also learned how to differentiate the factors and the terms and their coefficients. Now, let's see what do you mean by polynomials. Basically, when we say polynomials, means expressions having the power of variable as a whole number are known as polynomials. This we have discussed in the last video, last class as well. Example, 2x square plus 5x plus 3. Second example, 3x minus 5. Third example, only 7x. So these are some examples of polynomials. In this we see the power of variable is a whole number. The power of variable here is power of x is to 1. And when there is a constant term, that means the power of x is 0. In example number 2, the power of x is 1 and this is a constant term, so the power of x is 0. In this again we see the power of x is 1. So all these are examples of polynomials. These are examples of polynomials. Rather you can say polynomials in one variable only, because we have taken only one variable. We can take some more examples. If we have a polynomial like x plus y or x square plus y square or x square plus xy plus y square, or it is x square minus y square. Again we see the powers of the variable are either 1 or 2. So these are polynomials in two variables, because in all these examples we have taken two variables x and y. So these are polynomials in two variables. Further, if we see, let's take some examples of expressions which are not polynomials. For example, if I write 2x plus 1 upon x, now this term, this can be written as 2x plus x raised to the power minus 1. The power of x is negative. This is not a whole number. Therefore, this expression is not a polynomial. Another example we can take, if you have x raised to the power 3 upon 2 plus 5x. Now again, if you see the power of x here, this is a rational number. It is a fraction, not a whole number. Therefore, the expression is not a polynomial. Okay, so the expressions having the powers of variable as a whole number are known as polynomials. Further, the types of polynomials based on the number of terms. Types of polynomials. Based on number of terms. We can classify them as monomials, binomials, trinomials, and containing more than 3 terms we term as polynomials. Mono means containing only one term. Monomials containing one term. Example, if I write only 5x, only 3x square, only 7. These are examples of monomials. Further, when we say binomials, bi means 2. So expressions containing 2 terms are known as binomials. You can see some examples. If we have 2x plus 3, x minus 5, 3x square minus 7. All these expressions contains 2 terms. First term, second term, first term, second term, first term, second term. So therefore these are known as binomials. Third, you can see trinomials containing 3 terms. Containing 3 terms. Examples we can see. X square plus 5x plus 6. 3x square minus 2x plus minus 7. X cube minus 5x plus 6. Okay students, so more than 3 terms we call it as a polynomial. We can also classify further that if it contains 4 terms it is known as a quadrinomial. If it contains 5 terms it is known as a quintinomial. So, but you need to remember only the names up to this, that is a monomial, binomial and a trinomial. Okay, further let's discuss what do you mean by like terms and unlike terms. Like terms, terms containing same variables and same powers. Same variables with same power are known as like terms. If same variable and different power, this will be termed as unlike terms, or different variables and same power. Again, these are unlike terms. Let's take some examples. If you write 2x square y and x square y, these are like terms. If we have 3 by 2xy and minus 5 upon 2yx, we see the order is different, but we see that the power of x is 1 here, power of y is also 1, same as power of x is 2 in both, power of x is 1 in both. So these are like terms. But if you have the terms like same variable, that means 2x and x square. So these are unlike terms. Another example you can take, x square and x cube. We have same variable but powers are different, so therefore these are unlike terms. X and 5, again these are unlike terms. Further here, different variables. If you have x and y, these are unlike. If you have 3x minus 5y, both the variables have the same power, 1, 1. Maybe 3x square y and 3xy square. Now here you see the power of x is 2, but in this the power of x is 1. Here power of y is 1 and here the power of y is 2. So powers of variable are different. We are using the same variables, but the powers are different. So this type of terms, they are known as unlike terms. So like terms means those are those terms which contain same variables with same power. Now further, we'll discuss the addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions. Addition and subtraction, a very important rule you need to remember. Addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions. This we have already learned in the previous class also. The rule for adding and subtracting is only like terms can be added or subtracted. Only like terms can be added or subtracted. So we have two methods of addition. We can add them horizontally. Okay, let's learn how to add the two algebraic expressions. For adding the two algebraic expressions, we have two methods. We can either just write them in the form of groups with taking the like terms together and combining them, or we can write them in a vertical way. कॉलम वाइज लिख करके हम ऐड कर सकते हैं. तो यहाँ पे देखिएगा, पहले कॉलम वाइज लिख कर बताते हैं, फिर then we'll be discussing by forming the group by taking the like terms together. So if you have 2x plus 3y और दूसरा है 5x minus 2y, you have to add. तो सिंपल एडिशन है बच्चों. 2x plus 5x, this is 7x. Consider the sign as well. अब 3y minus 2y, plus minus minus होता है, तो 3y minus 2y, 3 minus 2 is 1, और बड़े नंबर का साइन है पॉजिटिव, तो यहां पर आएगा प्लस का साइन and y, and this is the answer, that is 7x plus y. Or we can write it like this: 2x plus 5x together plus दूसरे ब्रैकेट में like terms 3y minus 2y. We have written the like terms together. So we get 2x plus 5x is 7x plus 3y minus 2y is y. So the answer is 7x plus y. Another example, add 7xy plus 5yz minus 3zx, comma 4yz plus 9zx minus 4y and minus 3xz plus 5x minus 2xy. Now let's write the expressions column wise, like terms one below the other. So first I am writing the term containing xy. First expression लिखा मैंने 7xy plus 5yz minus 3zx. अब जब हम सेकेंड एक्सप्रेशन लिखेंगे तो yz के नीचे yz आएगा, तो पहला टर्म यहां पर आया 4yz। जब इसके सामने कोई साइन नहीं होता है तो पॉजिटिव साइन प्लस का साइन लेते हैं। प्लस 9zx माइनस 4y। y वाला अकेला y वाला कोई टर्म नहीं था यहां पे, इसलिए इसको साइड में लिख दिया माइनस 4y। Now you can see the next expression. It is minus 3xz. zx और xz सेम होता है, तो यहां पे हम लिखेंगे माइनस 3। xz को भी हम लिख सकते हैं zx। माइनस 2xy प्लस 5x। x अकेले का कहीं पर भी कोई टर्म नहीं है, तो यहां पर हमने अलग से लिख दिया प्लस 5x। Now add. So we have written like terms one below the other. ये दोनों like terms है, फिर ये like terms है, ये तीनों like terms है। यहां पे ये इसका कोई like term नहीं था, इसका भी कोई like term नहीं था। अब ऐड करेंगे 7 minus 2 is 5xy plus 5 plus 4, so that is 9yz। अब यहां पे देखिएगा माइनस माइनस को पहले प्लस किया, माइनस 3 हो गया माइनस 6, और माइनस 6 प्लस 9 हो जाएगा प्लस 3। सो इट बिकम्स प्लस 3zx प्लस 3zx। माइनस 4y अकेला है तो एज इट इज लिखा, प्लस 5x is alone, so I've written it as it is. So this is your final answer.